In this episode we are going to be fixing my exhaust on this E36 beater. In the last episode you saw me cutting the exhaust straight off just to get more sound, and I did, as you also heard. But now today we are going to mount the original exhaust back onto again, but we are also going to make it like a variable exhaust so we can actually bypass that last muffler and get the sound we have today. So I can actually choose. So we're going to install some buttons inside the car and wire it all the way up. Make like a pipe like this, so it will go one way, original muffler, silent mode, and then loud mode. So I can drift and be quiet if I want to, and while on the ice track I can be loud and have a lot of fun with the cool sound, because it doesn't sound like very good, but it's kind of cool to have a loud car. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to install like a bypass exhaust thing. I will show you. This one, we're going to install that into the exhaust. So that is, we're like, when that shuts, it will go through the original exhaust and be silent. And when that opens, it will be loud. We're going to install it under here. So we're going to have to install the original muffler right here and put another open exhaust out here or out there. It will be fun to test this out for the first time. Not professionals at work, but we're learning. Oh, you feel amateurs on this. Nice. Alla crap, alla crap. Will it open? It opens and closes nicely. Woo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yes! Cool! Ah, so nice! Oh yeah, mounted. So now I can just take the power on and then take that switch on, and then my car will be loud, the exhaust will be open, and to close it again I just have to take the power on right there and press the button silent, and then take the power off again. Really, really cool. A wiring nightmare because I have no experience doing this, and yeah, but really cool, especially in a beer like this. Really cool. Yeah, open. Oh, det är nice.
Der hørte faktisk ganske forskjell.
Ja, det var det. Det er nice.
Det der ble mye forskjell.
Sweet! Sweet!
Det der ble faktisk... Med den jalla-sveisinga og sånn, så ga det faktisk en effekt.
Ja, det gjorde det. simple how this works. I mean, to get the exhaust to be louder, you just take power off, up, and then flip this switch like so, and up, and you wait about 5 seconds or so, and then the exhaust is fully open, off again, and then I can rev it, and then it's loud. And for it to be quiet again, you simply take power power back to silent mode. You take the power on and you push this button and wait about 5 seconds or so, and then it's super quiet. Power off again. Really simple and really cool. I really like this setup, and especially, I know it's a lot of buttons, but it's really cool in the Beater. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this modification, and this was just a cheap eBay mod that we decided to test out, and I would say this is a success, even though we have used a lot more money than just the exhaust valve, because we have to buy all these buttons, exhaust pipes and stuff like that. So I would recommend buying a little bit more expensive, which you can actually adjust by a remote. So yeah, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Slap a like on the video and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.